Welcome to Scheiden-Bachmann and welcome to the Scheiden-Bachmann video tutorial. Today you're gonna see the service video for Entervo entry and exit. Enjoy the video. For more information about this video, please visit the Scheiden-Bachmann website or SBWiki. Before watching this video, you should have seen the sales video because it also contains important information for you. More supporting documents are the device manual, the spare part catalog, and maybe project-specific documents from your project management. Make sure that you understand the occurrence of one or more of the following warning icons because your and other safety at work is important. Make sure that you read and understand the device manual. If you have a doubt, do not hesitate to ask your supervisor. If you're working with high voltage electricity, make sure that main breakers and fuses are switched off. Protect yourself from reconnection. The new Entervo entry and exit is supporting fast and easy installation. Almost like this little cartoon, but a good project management is still important. Those devices can be installed in various different driver environments, including different installation technologies. A cooperation between technicians and project management will grant a smooth installation. As already mentioned, Entervo entry and exit is supporting fast and easy installation. You can choose in between 4 or 3 bolts for installation. If you are going to replace a PGL30, there is an adapter plate available to do a kind of recycling for the installation bolts. There's a drilling mask, default lane layouts and cable plans available. Ask your project management to receive the mask or such documents. Make sure that the power is switched off before you are starting with the electrical installation. Then remove the torque screws and remove the front cover. Pull off the protection cable and put the front cover aside. The electrical connectivity is done via push-in technology. Here you can see an example how this could be done. Please refer also to your country or site-specific requirements. To release a single wire, simply push down the orange device. Also, the barrier could be supplied with its power connectivity from here. there has been a general change in regard to the inputs and outputs. Now you can drive straight away a relay with 24 volt, or you can trigger an input with a closing contact. The barrier has its classic connectivity via 8 control wires. In case of a foreign barrier, do not forget to make a connection between open and loop. If you need to get access to the controller board, just remove all cables. Most cables have a coding, and the USB cables are free to reconnect. Remove the finger screw and you can open the cover. To remove the controller board, just lift up the controller box and remove it from the hedges. Take care of that little RG11 cable. You need to release the clip before unplugging this cable. For more information about the connectivity of the controller board, please refer to the device manual. To get operational, you have to prepare the classic settings on the cell computer. Those are settings in the configuration wizard, starting with at least version 483, settings in the master data management, settings like input and outputs, and the installation of at least service pack 84 for entry and exit. The configuration wizard has received an update to support 2 new functions. Now you can either choose from specific USB readers, or the reader-specific settings allow to choose a USB connection. So now let's start. Make sure you have a regular USB keyboard ready and connected to the device, to the controller board, as shown in the video. Now reboot the device and push the enter button when the device is asking to do so to bring this device into service mode. Before we will continue with the 4 following steps, I will explain the main configuration screen. So first of all, you have the restart functionality, then you have a clean functionality to reset the device, you have the network settings, the previous mentioned software download to download the service pack from the cell computer down to the device, the configuration to receive the XML file and to do the local settings, and finally the update to synchronize the database to the device. The classic I/O tester for inputs and outputs for testing. So let's start with the network settings. Device number and device IP address, cell computer number and cell computer IP address. In case of DHCP, deselect static with the radio button or select static again. Then we have a ping test where 4 pings will check the connectivity to the cell computer. The PSI ping test to check the application ping. and some more advanced functionalities to run applications in the operating system. So now you can apply the settings and you can reboot. So next is the software download. To download the service pack down into the SD card. So the SD card is a default card with no application data on it. Next step is now the configuration. To download the XML file, which is the result of the configuration wizard, down into the device, and to do the local settings in INI files, or to download site or device specific files into the device. So the final step is database update to synchronize the database between field device and cell computer. This might take a while depending on how many data records we have to receive, and it's similar like the CL94 command from PGL30. One more final reboot and the device should be operational. Congratulations! So we are getting closer to the end of this video and we are talking about maintenance. The ticket production unit TPU can be cleaned with the cleaning kit. The cleaning kit number is 8632410, or you may use your own kits. The cleaning procedure is normally related to keep it dust-free, clean the scanners with a brush, and clean the rubber rollers from any resistance so that they might work smooth. The classic Epson printer needs the cleaning of the printer head. Be carefully with the anti-static protection. And it doesn't matter if it is another version of TPU, just keep it clean. Lubrication is not necessary. So finally, I like to mention the spare part catalog, which is well organized, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.